So we're here at our Newington facility in Lorton, Virginia, where we house our collection fleet, who serves about 45,000 customers in Fairfax County in sanitary districts. And we're here today to celebrate the launching of our new fully electric trash collection vehicle.
Well, this is our EV trash truck, first in the region. Fairfax County leading the way as usual. Makes me really proud. This is the first of what I hope is many, and I hope is something that will be replicated by other private haulers and other counties and cities around the region.
The county has embraced a commitment to a carbon neutral operations. So reducing the use of gasoline and diesel fueled vehicles in our entire fleet is a critical component of meeting that carbon neutrality goal. Because they're newer, they're also much more expensive than conventional diesel-fueled vehicles. And so the county took advantage of a grant program from the state of Virginia to provide funding to support this initiative.
So I want to thank not only the board, but our county leaders, but I especially want to thank the solid waste management staff that are going to make this work, that are going to find a way to further reduce our emissions, which is our commitment to be there by 2035 as a county, and by 2050 to be there as a community.
And what we hope to demonstrate and prove is that you can have electric trash trucks operating in your community and provide the same level of service and be as efficient as the gas-powered ones. And then I think we collectively, as counties and cities around the DMV area and really across the country, have to put our money where our mouth is in terms of investments in our cleaner economy. Most of the trash in the county is picked up by private haulers. And we're hoping that boldly, by having this vehicle on the road, we will enhance the possibility of our private providers to follow our lead and look at EV technology for their own operations, so there's a multiplier effect.
So at 6 a.m. in the morning, and I hear them about 6 a.m. in the morning at my house, you know, this will be just a little bit quieter, a little bit healthier, and frankly a little bit better for the environment as well. It's a whole community effort, and we need everybody out there to be part of this effort, to make a difference, to frankly save the planet.